Welcome to our step-by-step guide on using the Roastar Design Lab. No matter your experience level, this video will show you how to customize your packaging using the tools and themes available within Design Lab. Let's dive in. First, head over to the Roastar website and click on Shop by Product. Then, select Roastar Design Lab from the top row. Now, you can select one of the products available in Roastar Design Lab. You can also use the filters along the left side to view available products by product type, material, sustainability, capacity, and minimum order quantity. When a product catches your eye, simply click Start Designing to begin customizing. At this point, you'll be transported to the Roastar Design Lab, where you're greeted with two versions of your product, a 2D canvas and a 3D mockup. As you make changes to your design, you'll see them reflected here in real time. Before we dive into the many tools within Design Lab, let's go over the basic functions. Starting in the top left corner, you'll find the Undo and Redo buttons. The slider icon will open a menu which allows you to turn various guides and templates on and off. These optional guides include rulers, the safe area, bleed, fold lines, and features. You can also minimize your 3D model into a smaller window by clicking on the double arrow icon to the top left of it, or maximize it by clicking the dashed square icon to the bottom right of it. Finally, in the bottom right corner of the gray canvas area, you can adjust the zoom level. Use the slider or select your desired zoom percentage from the drop-down menu. Now, let's talk tools. Within Roastar Design Lab, you'll find many tools at your disposal. Starting on the upper left side of the screen, the Upload tool allows you to browse and upload images from your computer to use in your design. Next, you can click on the Themes icon to browse the pre-existing themes or try out solid colors. Near the top of the Themes menu, you can filter by season or occasion. Above these categories, you'll find another opportunity to upload your own images or create them with AI. We'll get to that a bit later. The Elements tool allows you to add a variety of simple shapes to your design. Once a shape has been added, click and drag the edges of the shape to adjust its size. The shape's aspect ratio will be locked by default. To bypass this and adjust the aspect ratio, just hold Shift as you drag the shape. Use the toolbar along the top to further customize the color, transparency, alignment, layer order, and orientation. You can also lock elements in place once you're happy with them. The Text tool allows you to add text to your design in 3 sizes, or simply add a text box. Once you've added the text, use the handy toolbar at the top to customize further. You can choose from a variety of fonts, add an underline, and adjust the size, alignment, and line spacing. Just like in the Elements tool, you can also tweak the transparency, layer order, and direction of your text. Once again, you may lock your text in place once you're finished customizing. Returning to the left side menu, you'll find another place to access our AI tool. To use it, all you need to do is type a description of your desired image in the text box. Be as descriptive as possible when creating your prompt. We recommend at least 5 words, but the more the better. If you need more help with AI prompts, click the question mark in the upper right corner of the AI tool panel. Finally, we have the Layers tool. This feature allows you to manage the different layers you have added to your design throughout this process. At the top of the Layers menu are 2 tabs, Arrange and Align. Arrange allows you to reorder your layers in case you want to change the order in which certain elements appear or overlap in your design. To do this, just click and hold on the dots icon on the left side of each layer. Then drag the layer to its desired position in the order and release click. Layers at the top of the panel will appear on top of layers that are listed below. You can also click the padlock icon to lock a layer in place so it doesn't accidentally get moved. Click the eye icon to show or hide a layer, or delete a layer by clicking the trash can icon. Align lets you quickly edit the alignment of any given layer. Just click on the element you'd like to adjust on the canvas, then select your desired alignment from the menu. At some point, make sure to give your project a name. Simply type in the box at the top of the screen to rename your project. As you're customizing your design, remember to save it often. Simply select Save Project at the top of your screen and follow the prompts to log in or sign up for a Roastar account to preserve your progress. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to finalize and place your order. Before heading to checkout, double-check your order quantity with the drop-down menu in the top right corner and adjust if necessary. Then, click on the white Review and Order button to move on. Here, you'll be prompted to make one last review of your packaging. After this, there's no going back. Pay special attention to your text, images, and overall design. Do you see any typos? Want to make any last-minute changes? Now is your last chance. To return to the Design Lab, click Edit Project. If you're truly happy with your design, check both boxes and click Continue. Here, you're met with an overview of your chosen product and its size, material, and features. You'll have one final chance to adjust your order quantity and your project's name before heading to your cart. Within your cart, click Checkout to place your order, either as a guest or by logging into your Roastar account. You'll also be able to create a Roastar account at this time if you'd like. Now you have all the tools you need to successfully create stunning packaging with Roastar Design Lab. Have fun and get creative. We can't wait to see your ideas.